Stephanie, and today I wanted to show you some progress that I'm making on my home office situation. I got a standing desk. It arrived in the mail yesterday, so we're going to be setting that up tonight, so at least I'll have that. I ordered a chair as well from Herman Miller, and it's not going to ship until the end of August. So, but anyway, at least we're making progress. I have my Samsung M8 desktop there, and I have my the Mac Studio computer there. So we're definitely getting the home office situation a little bit more sorted out for sure. So anyway, stay tuned while we reorganize this situation and just have more room for working and for creating and just getting our home together, you know? So this is the desk setup. I'm using an old kitchen table because before I was actually using this stool, and I work from home at this desk. My shifts are 10 hours now, so that was very excessive to be sitting. This chair hurts me to no end. It's awful. So at least I'm getting the standing desk set up, and as you can see, just ignore my mess here, but you can see how narrow the desk is and how big the display is. So I'm really excited to get this sorted and to just have more of a vibe going on, you know? Anyway.
Instructions. Oh, look at that. Look.
Thank you, Stephanie, for your support. Burotic team. That's so nice.
Oh, also.
First I want to get $200. Wow.
Oh.
It's actually not that heavy, it's just so awkward in that house.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have.
Somebody's gotta go to work. She makes the big bucks, but I go to work.
Alright, this is the situation right now in my office. That's the old desk, and this is the the new situation. I'm gonna tidy all that up, and I just have a lot of kind of stuff all over the place right now, so I'm just going to organize it. So out here we have this kind of like front room situation where I obviously have all my plants just kind of like out. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put that desk here for now, and that way I have something to put some of my plants on, because we're planning on building like shelves in here. But for now, it would be a nice way just to get some of these plants off of the ground. But they all get really great light where they are, so that's kind of my struggle right now, honestly. I don't want to kind of like move them and then they get less light, but we're gonna see. This is obviously not meant for this kind of area, but I just want to make use of it for now. Alright, some of the plants are off the ground, so that's good. But a lot of them I use with grow lights actually. I mean, the grow lights are obviously unnecessary right now when it's sunny out, but, and then this I'm gonna tidy up as well. So this is the setup. I recently got this Mac Studio. I had an iMac for a long time, and then it started getting too slow for, you know, editing videos and stuff like that. So I got that, and then I ordered this. This is a Samsung M8 display, and honestly, it's okay. It was a bit cheaper than the Apple one, but it's also bigger than the Apple one. However, I don't know if it's gonna do it, but it glitches a lot. No, it's not gonna do it now, of course I'm showing. But I'm actually in the process of returning it, and I'm trying to look for a different screen or monitor, because this one just doesn't work as well as it should for one that's over $1,000. And now I saw they're on sale, so I might get another one. I don't know if it's just this one specifically or if they're all like that. I don't know. If anybody knows, I would love to hear what other people's experience is with this monitor, because I'm kind of hesitant to just get the same one again. Anyway, this is my new work from home setup as of now. I still want to get a shelf and maybe decorate some things. At least I have, like, you know, plants around me. And it's nice that the walls are white too. It just kind of makes it like a brighter experience. Yeah, and as far as the cables in the bottom, I didn't change, or I didn't zip tie up the cable from the monitor, because again, I don't know if I'm actually keeping that one. And I'm hoping to get like a shelf for in there, because at least now this desk is so deep, I can actually have a shelf in there of sorts to, you know, store some stuff, and then hopefully that'll kind of take care of the cable situation. But yeah, that's my little setup. And then this is what I did with my old desk. As you can see, it's very narrow. I'm honestly shocked that I worked at that. That's not a safe depth for such a huge screen to be working off of. So anyway, tomorrow's my first day working off of that new desk, so I'm so excited. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm currently using my desk to finish editing this video actually, and it's amazing. I love using it so much already. It's just so nice to have enough space and the standing feature. My neck isn't hurting. Everything is just great. So huge shout out to Burotic, where I ordered this desk from. They have some sales on their website right now too. And they do free shipping within Canada if you order over a certain amount. And their customer service was amazing, so I highly recommend them. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.